deep cleaning and SSD upgrade on Acer Nitro 58 and 515 gaming laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Shiri May, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Performing a deep clean on your laptop and upgrading to an SSD are both excellent choices to significantly enhance its performance and extend its lifespan. Deep cleaning the laptop involves removing accumulated dust and debris from internal components, particularly the cooling fans and vents, which can become clogged over time. This accumulation often leads to overheating and reduced efficiency, causing the CPU and GPU to throttle their performance. To avoid damage by thoroughly cleaning these components, you restore the airflow within the laptop, allowing the cooling system to function optimally, thereby maintaining a steady and efficient operating temperature. Additionally, a clean internal environment reduces the noise generated by the fan, as it doesn't have to work as hard, leading to quieter operation and a more pleasant user experience. On the other hand, upgrading your laptop's hard drive to a solid-state drive SSD is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make for performance. Unlike traditional hard disk drives, HDDs with moving parts SSDs use flash memory, allowing them to read and write data at much faster speeds. This upgrade results in significantly shorter boot times, faster file transfer rates, and overall smoother multitasking capabilities. Moreover, SSDs are more durable and reliable due to their lack of mechanical components, which is particularly beneficial for laptops that are frequently moved. They also consume less power, which can help extend battery life in portable devices. Before proceeding with the SSD upgrade, it's essential to back up your data to avoid potential data loss. Check the compatibility of the SSD with your laptop model and consider performing a fresh operating system installation on a new drive to maximize the performance. Gains of the upgrade. At PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning and SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning and SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.